reported the flash flood warning for northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Galveston County in southeastern Texas, Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:46 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain. Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Feeder roads are extremely vulnerable to these high rainfall rates, and water has been reported along some roadways around the Houston metro area. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pasadena, Pearland, League City, Sugar Land, Baytown, Missouri City, Texas City, Friendswood, Lockport, Deer Park, Rosenberg, Alvin, Dickinson, Stafford, South Houston, Bel Air, West University Place, Lamarck, Katy, and Santa Fe. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement.